Good evening. Today, we're taking a closer look at some of the top health trends gaining attention in September 2024, according to Google Trends. From cutting-edge technology to traditional remedies, there's a lot happening in the world of health. One of the most innovative trends we're seeing is in the realm of assistive technology. For instance, Dutch startup Gastronology is pioneering 3D-printed food specifically designed for dysphagia patients, making it easier for those with swallowing difficulties to get the nutrition they need. Another breakthrough is the Bioservo Carbonhand, a robotic glove that enhances grip strength, providing invaluable support for individuals with limited hand function. On the wellness front, there's a growing interest in dietary supplements with roots in traditional medicine. Products like BetterAlt's CMOS capsules and Himalayan Shilajit are trending. These supplements claim to offer a range of benefits, from boosting stamina and strength to enhancing overall vitality, tapping into ancient practices with a modern twist. But it's not just about new products and technologies. Mental health continues to be a significant concern, with search queries for therapists near me and "why do I feel anxious for no reason?" reaching record highs. This indicates a growing public awareness and a need for accessible mental health resources. To help users navigate this information, Google has introduced tools like About This Result, which aids in evaluating the credibility of health information found online, ensuring that people are getting trustworthy advice when they need it most. As we can see, the intersection of technology, traditional wellness, and mental health is shaping the way we think about our health in 2024. We'll continue to keep you updated on the latest developments. Stay healthy and stay informed.